I think Leah's crying.
Oh my gosh. I cannot breathe. Phone. Camera. Wait, I'm recording this.
Drops, you know where you can't breathe? It's like that.
Hello, my name is Tyler. Hello? You ruined it.
Tyler, you just destroyed your face.
Ruined it.
You did.
Turn the light on.
All right.
Turn the light on.
It's going to get really bad after this light. Okay, here we go.
Oh, God.
Okay.
Hey guys.
Okay.
We have light. All right.
We're about to die.
Ready?
Oh yeah.
Everything's out of control.
Mrs. Dumont, you gotta add more.
completely
This isn't
invisible.
enough.
I know.
Need more cowbell.
Need
More
more.
cowbell.
Need more. That's not enough.
Ready?
Ready.
Wait a minute.
I think you meant speed.
Wait a minute.
Did
Wait
you
a
mean
minute.
speed?
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
The curb.
The curb.
Okay.
Ready now.
We should follow them at a very close rate. We should just follow them wherever they go.
They're gonna call the recording drunk driver.
I'm like a I have to use the bathroom.
They usually say that pregnant ladies should not be on these drives. I mean, rides. I guess I shouldn't be here.
Are you feeling pregnant?
Morning sickness hitting you a little late.
This just became
It's the day after.
unfacebookable. This just became unfacebookable. I'll keep it for my personal use.
Oh
Is that a moving violation? There's a light on back there?
Because everything else that just happened was not a violation.
We should
of
make
any-
more.
I was
Maybe
never
more sure to
even
follow the
going near
law.
the speed limit.
True.
Gosh, why do you have